Very quickly, let me go across to my colleague Disha Bagchi, who's joining us at this moment. Disha, India reaching out to all across the world to our partners, important information coming in, and also take us through the reactions that we are getting on these strikes.
Absolutely, Ankit. So India has been in close contact with all its allies, especially the US, UK, Russia, Saudi Arabia. Indian NSA, Ajit Doval, in fact, briefed key allies, including the United States and Russia, among others, of the strikes and the details of the strikes. In fact, US President Donald Trump was one of the first foreign leaders to really react to these strikes, saying that he had heard about these strikes and he really hopes that this ends quickly and that there's a peaceful resolution. We also heard from the UN Secretary General, who's also said that this escalation is concerning, and this dramatic escalation of tensions between India and Pakistan is concerning, and he hopes that there's a peaceful resolution and India and Pakistan do resolve this through talks and through diplomacy. Now, in fact, US Secretary Rubio has also said that the US is closely monitoring the situation, and in fact, the US is in close contact with both India and Pakistan. The US really confirming that it's not just that they are in communication with India, but has also spoken to Pakistani officials. And in terms of some of the other reaction, in fact, we got some detailed information from the US embassy, the Indian embassy in Washington, saying that, as I mentioned, Ajit Doval had spoken to his US counterparts and that had detailed that India's actions were really focused and precise and really targeting the terrorist targets in Pakistan, and no other targets were hit. And in fact, also mentioning that India has credible leads and technical inputs, which is what they used to in these strikes. So really ensuring that India's allies are well informed and know that these strikes were really precise and only targeting terror targets in Pakistan.